know how seeds grow? Hey, you tell first. You please.
Today, we're going to discuss the process of seed growth, and at the end of this video, you'll be able to describe how seeds grow. Germination. Germination is a process in which a seed grows into a new plant. Conditions necessary for germination. The conditions necessary for germination are the presence of water, air, and warmth, even light. Stages of germination. Seed germinates in 4 stages.
Stage 1.
When the seed germinates, the root appears first. The developing baby plant gets its food from the seed leaves.
Stage 2.
The shoot appears and the young plant develops.
Stage 3.
At this stage, the leaves have developed. The young plant will now make its own food in order to grow.
Stage 4.
After some time, the seed leaves drop off. The young plant needs light, air, and water to make food and grow well.
Still no growth?
Usually, seeds remain dormant or inactive until they acquire suitable conditions to germinate. Dormancy tends to be closely associated with environmental conditions. Seed dormancy is a condition in which seeds are prevented from germinating even under the favorable environmental conditions for germination, including temperature, water, light, gas, seed, and seed coats. A dormant seed is a seed that is in the state of apparent inactivity and which will not start to grow. Seed dormancy is the state in which seed is unable to germinate, even under ideal growing conditions. Because dormancy can be broken by most ideal growing conditions different and specific for each species, the seeds germinate when they are the most likely to flourish.
What have you learned today?
Identify the stage and part that comes out. Which part comes out after a first root and what's called? What are the requirements of germination?
Let's think out of the box.
Out of the box.
Some seeds germinate uniquely, and among that one is the lotus seeds.
Lotus seeds.
Why do lotus seeds remain viable for thousands of years? Lotus seeds remain viable for thousands of years due to their ability to enter dormancy, thanks to a unique combination of biochemical and physiological mechanisms that protect them from degradation and allow them to germinate when environmental conditions are optional. Why do the seeds of some trees only germinate after a forest fire? Some trees have seeds that can only germinate after being exposed to the intense heat of a forest fire, as this breaks their hard shell and activates necessary chemical processes for germination.
Home task. Sow different types of seeds and give them the right conditions to germinate and observe its growth and timings. You can also draw your observations.